Did you know that 7.5 million Americans are living with their hip or knee joint replacement? That is 1.5 times more individuals with a replacement joint than those living with heart failure in the United States. My name is Beth Kaplanek, and I am the author of Pilates for Hip and Knee Syndromes and Arthroplasties. As a practitioner of Pilates, I see anywhere from 2 to 4 individuals a week with the joint replacement. If I add hip and knee pathologies, that number doubles. The Pilates environment is extremely good for individuals, taking them from prehabilitation to rehabilitation to fitness. Pilates is an ideal form of low-impact movement to increase range of motion, strength, flexibility, and most importantly, the congruency of the joint. I teach a course entitled The Pilates Teacher's Perspective of Lower Extremity Pathologies and Joint Replacements. Come join me to help you learn more how to work efficiently and use critical reasoning when working with these clients.